Jeez, I didn't realize Johnny Walker had an aftershave.
You know, I have trouble trusting any bastard who doesn't drink. People who are afraid to drink are afraid of revealing themselves. Why am I here, Detective Polinsky?
Last night a woman was killed.
What's that got to do with me?
Her death is connected to the Nightingale Killings.
The Nightingale Killings? All shot once in the head?
And once in the heart.
Who's the deceased?
A singer at the Nightingale Cabaret, Sugar Cane Kovalchek, Scarlet Lovelace's roommate.
Got a cigarette?
Sure.
Got a light? I was working there in my office. It had to be 10 to midnight. I was looking at the recent string of the Nightingale Killings. They had been shot twice, once in the head and once in the heart. I was about to call it a night, and then she walked in.
Hello, Rick.
What are you doing here, Scarlett?
I missed you.
Yeah, like you missed your last appointment with the shrink.
Rick, don't be like that.
Then tell me why you're here.
I was on my way to my dressing room. I was on stage in an hour. I heard some arguing up in the corridor ahead, so I approached quietly. He pushed Sugar against the wall. He had his hand on her shoulder. She couldn't move.
I'm sorry, please, I'll get you the money, I swear. It's just been a really tough week. Please tell Mrs. Salieri that I'm sorry, please.
She begged for her life, but the fella pulled a gun. He wasn't having none of it.
No! Sugar!
The bastard shot her in the dark. Coward. I left as soon as I could. I thought that the safest place was here. With you.
Are you hurt?
I'm okay now, Rick. What can I do, Rick?
I have a safe house.
A safe house?
I'll come for you later.
You're just like all the other men. Only more so.
Scarlett, it's the only option we have to save your life. Do it for yourself, not for me.
Fine. Take me there.
Why didn't she come to the police?
She's had run-ins with them before. She doesn't trust them.
Where is she now, Rick? Her safety is important.
She's up in a house by Beach Hills.
Which one?
I'll write it down. Please look after her. This location stays between me and you, Polly. You understand?
I understand.
You know, I've met a lot of hard-boiled eggs in my time, but you're 20 minutes.